Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTech. Today I am going to introduce you to ChatLLM Teams, the ultimate AI assistant that's about to transform how you work, create and collaborate. Imagine having all the world's top AI models in one place. No switching apps, no juggling subscriptions, just one powerful platform that does it all. With ChatLLM, you get access to cutting-edge models like GPT-4, Sonnet 3.5 and Gemini 2.0, plus instant web search, image generation, code execution, and even PDF analysis. And here is the best part, it's more affordable than paying for each tool individually. For just $10 a month, and you will save money while unlocking endless possibilities. From creating stunning visuals and human-like text to building custom chatbots and collaborating with your team, ChatLLM Teams is perfect for professionals, students, and small teams alike. Stay tuned as we explore all the incredible features that make this AI super assistant a must-have. The link is available in the video description. Alright, let's break it down and make it super easy to understand. Here is how it works. You can ask ChatLLM to write something for you, like a 200-word description about your new video on AI image generators. First we will ask to root LLM and you will see what it comes up with. Then we can ask another helper, GPT-4, to write the same thing. After that, we can try Cloud Sonnet or DeepSeek. The cool part is you don't have to stick to just one helper. Each one has its own strengths, so you can see all their answers and pick the one you like the most. It's like having a team of super smart writers helping you, and you get to choose the best idea. Let's talk about something really helpful, the chat with PDF feature. Imagine you have a really long document like a book or a report, but you don't want to read every single word. Maybe you just need a quick idea of what it's about, or you have some questions you want answered. With ChatLLM, you can make it super simple. Just upload your PDF file to the platform, then you can ask the AI to give you a short summary of what the document says. If you are curious about something specific, you can ask questions and the AI will find the answers for you right away. What's even cooler is that you can use different AI models to do this. Each one has its own way of explaining things. You can look at the answers from all of them, compare them, and choose the one that makes the most sense. It's a great way to save time and understand big documents without any stress. And one of ChatLLM's standout feature is its AI image generation capability. You can use advanced models like Flex and Ideogram to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Here is how it works. Enter a creative prompt, then choose image prompt strength and aspect ratio and hit generate button. And within seconds, you will have a professional grade image ready to use. No design skills are needed, just your imaginations and a simple prompt. And if you are looking to produce high quality videos without the hassle of complex software, ChatLLM has you covered. It integrates advanced AI video tools like Helio, Runway and Luma to streamline video creation. Choose the AI model that suits your need, enter a prompt, then you can set the CFG scale, aspect ratio and video duration, and hit generate button. This feature is perfect for creating content for social media, business or marketing campaigns. ChatLLM has also a unique Humanize feature that ensures your content sounds natural and engaging. Ask the AI to write an article, then click the Humanize button to adjust the tone. Select the option AI Detector Proof to rewrite the text. It rewrites your text to make it sound more natural, transforming AI-generated content into human-like, engaging and polished writing. So this feature is a lifesaver for students, bloggers and professionals. So next we have coding. Whether you are coding pro or a beginner, ChatLLM makes coding a breeze. Let's say you want to make an animated SVG of a bouncing ball. Give it a prompt, hit enter, and it will generate the full code within seconds. And now let's say if you want to create a game where a ball has to avoid obstacle while bouncing, hit enter and it will generate a game. So this feature is perfect for building apps, websites or even games. No coding expertise required. At the last, collaboration is seamless with ChatLLM. You can easily invite your team members by sharing an invite link or sending an email. So for just $10 a month, with the first month free, ChatLLM offers access to top AI models, groundbreaking features, and endless possibilities. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.